Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be telling you Thinkific versus Teachable, which has better course structure tools. The link to the Thinkific and the Teachable will be in the description below. Let's dive into the video without wasting any further time. So first thing, compare the basic course builder. So for the Teachable, both platforms features an incredible, easy to use drag and drop course builder, meaning you don't need to be a tech wizard in order to create something which is very optimizing, which is very soothing, and yet has a distraction-free engagement. Teachable focuses heavily on simplicity, making it lightning fast, dragging your videos and text to get your course live. Thinkific, on the other hand, offers a slightly more detailed dashboard that gives you granular control over how your entire curriculum is organized. Step 2. Analyze the lessons type available. When it comes to the variety of the content you can upload, Thinkific takes a massive lead, while Teachable handles your standard video, text and PDF lessons beautifully. Thinkific natively supports a wide range of multimedia. With Thinkific you can easily embed interactions, presentations, host live and upload advanced e-learning files like Adobe Captive or Articulate Storyline. If you're thinking about dive into the quizzes and assessment, if you want to seriously test your students' knowledge, you need to look at the assessment. Teachable has a solid basic quiz feature that gets the job done for the simple knowledge checkers. However, Thinkific is built much more like a traditional academic platform. Therefore, a randomized question bank, mandatory passing grades, built-in student assignments where they can upload homework files, and integrations with advanced exam softwares. So the fourth the tool that you guys have to look into is that content dripping and prerequisites. Both platforms allow you to drip your content, meaning you can schedule specific modules to unlock over time so the students don't finish the whole course in one day. If you want the strict learning path, Thinkific offers a superior prerequisite feature. You can log specific lessons or entire modules until a student fully completes a previous video or passes a specific quiz, just like the other top grade Coursera, for example. So the final verdict on the course structure. So which one has a better course structure tools? That's what you're thinking at the moment. If you want to go with the Teachable, you are building a straightforward video heavy course and just want a beautiful, easy to navigate player for your students without overcomplicating things. Go with Thinkific if you're building a highly structured academic style program that requires an advanced assignment, strict prerequisites, and massive variety of lesson formats. So this is pretty much for the video. I hope you find this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.